Good morning to everyone. Myself N.Kalpna. I am from Sri G.K.Jain Higher Secondary School, Royapuram. For more educational video, please subscribe our YouTube channel.
Today for the 12th standard I am going to explain the lesson is metallurgy. From the name itself you can understand that here we have learned about the metals, where we can extract the metal, what are the process which is been involved in the extractions of metal, and what about the boiling point and melting point, what are the nature of metals. All these things we have detailedly discussed about the metals in the metallurgy lesson. Okay. So let's see the definition about the metallurgy. It is a process of extraction of metal from its ore, because it is not been done in a single step. That is why it takes few more steps, because it can be extract from the earth crust. Few more other substances has been mixed with that. That is why it is called as a process. A few more steps is been involved. Okay. So this is about the definition about the metallurgy. What are define the definition about metallurgy means it is a process of extractions of metal from its ore. Before getting to the extraction of metal, you should know about the two important definition. One is about the mineral, other one is about the ore. Okay. First we consider it as a mineral. It is a natural occurring substance. Both the mineral as well as the ore, which is a natural occurring substance only. But the thing is, where it can be differ? It can be differ only based on the percentage of metals can be extract. Availability of the percentage of metals. In the minerals, let's see the minerals. It is a naturally occurring substance which contain the less percentage of metal. Okay. In minerals also it can, the metals will be present, but the percentage is less. Next one, ore. When you are talking about the ore, it is also a naturally occurring substance, but it contains high percentage of metals. We can, and the second thing is, we can extract the metal from the ore by the way of conveniently as well as economically. What is the meaning of conveniently? We can easily extract. It doesn't do a lot of work to be involved. It can be easily. A few more steps has been involved, but it can be easily, we can be extract the metal. That is a conveniently and economically. Economically means, for example, when I am taking a 2 kg of ore. If I am taking a 2 kg of ore, only 2 grams of metals will be there, means it has been economically it has been less in that thing. If I am taking a 2 kg of ores, I am getting 2 kg of metals or 1 kg of metals, means that will be called it as a economically. So when you are talking about the ores, we can extract the metal, both the process of conveniently as well as economically. Okay. If I am writing the difference between minerals and ores, means you can be highlight these points. A less percentage of metals, a high percentage of metal. Here we can extract the metal alone, but here we can extract both conveniently as well as the economically. Okay, this is about the difference between the minerals as well as the ore. Okay, let's see the example. When I am taking a two substance, one is a bauxite, other one is a China clay. Let's see the formula for the bauxite: Al2O3 H2O. China clay, Al2O2, 2SiO2 and 2H2O. What we have understand, in both the substance, aluminium has been present, isn't it? Here aluminium has been present, here aluminium. We can extract the aluminium both in the bauxite as well as the China clay. But what is the definition about the ore? We can extract in a high percentage. When compared with that, here only aluminium, maximum amount of aluminium has been present in the bauxite. But here aluminium has been present, but some other substances also been add on to that. So the percentage will be automatically reduced with comparing with the bauxite. So what is from the two substance, what is the ore of aluminium? Yes, of course, bauxite is the ore of aluminium. And what about the minerals? We can say both the China clay as well as the bauxite, because both it should contain the aluminium. Are you able to understand the difference between minerals and ores from this? So this is, in this way also we can expect this question. They are given the compound, two compound, in which you have to find the ores of the substance. Okay, how can you find? Based on the percentage. If you see the formula, here only aluminium, a little bit of other substance. Here equally of aluminium and other substance will be present. So here comparatively, here high percentage of metal, here less percentage of metal will be present in it. Okay, and next one I already told that it is a process, isn't it? Process means some more steps which has been involved. Okay, let's see the extractions of metal in a three important steps. First one, concentration of the ore, extraction of crude metal, refining of crude metal. First one, why it has been called it as a concentration of ore metal? We already know that the ores which has been extracted from the earth crust only. So from the earth crust it has not been available in the purest form of metal alone. It has to be combined with some more unwanted substance. That particular impurities we called it as a gang. Okay. So first, whatever the ore we have taken, we have removed the impurities. That process will be called it as a concentration. If the impurities has been removed, means automatically the percentage, the concentration of the ore will be increased. That is why this steps will be called it as a concentration of ore. So what will be involved in the concentration of ore? The first thing, we have removed the gang. That means impurities. We have removed the impurities. As well, it can increase the concentration of the ore. This will be the happen in the first step. And second one, extraction of crude metal. Okay, we have removed the impurities. And the next one, we have taken whatever we want. What we have want? The crude metal. That means the ore we want. That we have to extract. The process will be involved to extract the crude metal. That is the extractions of crude metal. And finally, refining of crude metal. Okay, we have extracted it. Finally, we have to remove it in a pure, then only we can get it in the purest form. Okay, that is why the third step which has been involved, refining of crude metal. Okay, so in this video, we have discussing about the definitions about the metallurgy, then definition about the minerals, ores, then difference between the minerals and ore, examples of minerals and ores, as well as the extractions of metals. What are all the questions we can expect from this video? First question is definitions about the metallurgy. What you have to write? A process of extraction of metal from its ore. Second one, they can ask the definition of minerals and ore, like define mineral and define ore, or comparison of minerals and ores. Okay. Third one, you can, whenever you have write the difference between minerals and ore, you have to indicate with the examples also. The example is more important, and in the one word also we can expect the this kind of ores. In this lesson, the ores are very important. Okay. What is the aluminium? What is the ores of aluminium? They are given the option like this: bauxite, china clay, and some more will be given like this. You have to choose that the ore of aluminium is bauxite. So the one words also we can expect from these things. And next one here in this thing, 2 marks you can expect. Extraction, write what are all the various steps which has been involved in the extraction of metal. We can write it as concentration of ore and extractions of crude metal and refining of crude metal. In the lower classes, that means in the 10th standard level, we would be learn about the gangue, slag, like floods, all the terms we have learned it, but here we have learned in a detailed manner. What about the ore, how the process which has been involved in a detailed manner we have learned it in the metallurgy lesson.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.